Hello, and welcome to Best Books Club, your go-to channel for in-depth, simplified summaries of must-read books. We're diving into Lights Out by NAVESSA Allen. This story blends adventure, danger, romance, and suspense, following a young woman's journey through a darkened, post-apocalyptic world. If you enjoy stories that keep you on the edge of your seat, this one's for you. The story opens in a world that has been plunged into darkness. Modern civilization has crumbled due to a catastrophic event that cut out all power sources. Electricity is gone, technology is obsolete, and survival now depends on primal instincts, adaptability, and raw strength. Main character. Our protagonist is a resilient young woman named Jade. Like many, Jade is grappling with the drastic, post-apocalyptic world left in the wake of the lights going out. Her life now revolves around daily struggles, finding food, securing shelter, and fending off dangers from both humans and nature. Jade's strength is her fierce independence, and her biggest priority is to survive alone in a world where trust is a liability. Jade's daily struggle, ****. Survival in a ruthless world. The story kicks off by illustrating Jade's routine as she faces constant threats. She's resourceful and determined, always one step ahead of potential dangers. Her survival kit includes knives, handmade traps, and the invaluable instincts she's honed over years of self-reliance. The isolation. But her independence is a double-edged sword. She's alone, burdened by the psychological toll of solitude. Jade longs for some semblance of a connection, yet in this dark world, relationships are dangerous. Most people only look out for themselves, and betrayal is common. Despite her loneliness, Jade is resolute in her choice to go solo, always on high alert and deeply guarded. Enter the mysterious stranger, ****. The encounter with a stranger. Jade's life takes a drastic turn when she crosses paths with a mysterious, wounded man named Luke. Her instinct tells her to keep moving, but Luke's condition and desperate need for help tug at her humanity. Reluctantly, she makes the decision to aid him, bringing him back to her camp, where she tends to his wounds. A test of trust. As days pass, an awkward yet fragile bond forms between Jade and Luke. They share little about their pasts, but both carry emotional scars. Luke's presence shakes Jade's rigid rules. She begins to open up, rediscovering companionship, however slight. But trust is a dangerous game. Jade struggles, feeling torn between keeping her guard up and allowing a sliver of connection in her life. Survival together, ****. Facing dangers as a team. In the new world, dangers lurk around every corner. The duo faces attacks from roving bands of marauders, nature's cruelty, and the perpetual threat of starvation. Luke, despite his initial fragility, turns out to be a capable survivor himself. Together, they become a formidable team, relying on each other's strengths. Conflicts and chemistry. This part of the story is an emotional roller coaster. Jade and Luke's personalities clash, they're both stubborn, and they have different survival strategies. Yet, through their arguments, they form a deeper understanding of each other. Jade starts to feel emotions she thought she'd buried. Luke challenges her views on trust and partnership, and she finds herself warming to the idea of being part of a team. Secrets uncovered, ****. Luke's hidden past. Just when Jade thinks she can finally trust him, Luke's past comes back to haunt them both. A ruthless group known as the Enforcers is on the hunt, and Luke has a secret connection to them. This revelation shatters Jade's fragile trust, and she is forced to confront the reality that Luke may have brought danger into her life. A heart-wrenching dilemma. Jade is now faced with an impossible decision: stay with Luke, risking everything for a bond that may betray her, or cut ties to preserve her safety. The stakes are high, and her dilemma is agonizing. Her struggle is a powerful reflection of the themes of trust, fear, and vulnerability that run throughout the book. The final battle and revelation, ****. A climactic showdown. The story crescendos into a final battle when the enforcers track them down. Jade and Luke must confront these enemies together, blending their wits and skills in a fierce fight for survival. Their connection, which started with mistrust and hesitation, now serves as their biggest strength. They rely on each other to outsmart their foes, showing how much they've grown as individuals and as a team. Jade's realization. In this climactic moment, Jade realizes that true survival isn't just about physical endurance but about facing fears and embracing vulnerability. This revelation marks a turning point for her, transforming her perspective on life, relationships, and self-reliance. Conclusion. A bittersweet ending. The story doesn't give a perfect, happily ever after, yet there's a sense of hope. Jade and Luke's journey together has forever changed them. They've faced darkness, both external and internal, emerging with a newfound resilience. The world remains a challenging place, but with each other, they have a fighting chance. Final thoughts and reflection. Themes and takeaways. Lights Out by NAVESSA Allen isn't just about surviving a world without power, it's about inner resilience, trust, and the power of human connection. Jade's journey teaches us that even in the darkest times, there's strength in vulnerability and hope in unexpected bonds. Allen's storytelling reminds us that we don't have to face life alone. Sometimes, letting someone in is the bravest thing we can do. Thank you for tuning into this summary of Lights Out by NAVESSA Allen on Best Books Club. We hope this gave you a taste of this intense and emotional story. If you enjoyed today's summary, don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe, and join us next time for more great books. Happy listening, and until then, stay curious. This concludes our summary script for NAVESSA Allen's Lights Out. We hope it brings the story to life for you. Thank you for listening to Best Books Club.